opportunity that we were able to work with the original poets, and with the translator together, we can actually do more than just translate. We can actually feel the poem and feel the meaning of the poem.
Nagisa.
Yes, as he said, it was my first experience that I I took part in as a translator in such a workshop, and I felt a lot, and I want a lot of things to do, and I want a lot of things to how to say, transfer what I expected, what I felt, and what I took from the workshop. But I now want to say is that what you poets did at the workshop is needed in our life, not only between two persons which has two different languages, but even between I and you, and between me and we have the same Japanese language as mother tongue, but we cannot really understand by each other. But it is possible to talk through one poet. You were talking about one poet for 3 hours, 4 hours, and go on and go on. And you talked about yourself and what he said, your temperature and feeling, and what you think, and what you will experience, and you even asked about her life experience, or her life history. And what is needed in our life is this is it, so that we can understand each other and the world will be happy.
Any questions from the public? If not, I'm afraid we have to stop at this point because other events are waiting. Now the festival is rolling, and we shouldn't be the stone. I would love to thank all of you for this amazing 3 days, unforgettable experience. I'm sure we will meet again, and our poetic souls won't separate at all. So, hvala vam, da ste prišli, da ste poslušali, kaj smo vam imeli za povedati od naše izkušnje zadnjih 3 dni. Vabljeni na vse ostale prireditve z njo.